Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought you are not enough? There is something you can do more interesting, add more glow. And if I say that it can be possible with right habits and changing some bad habits from your daily life. Yes, today we are going to explore some habits to become unstoppable this year in 2025. It is not something like glow up hacks. The truth is, this video is fully scientifically proven. Without further delay, let's start. The mindset dilemma. Everything starts from mind. You thought shape your reality, and the reality depends on your surroundings. Think you are sitting with a group of people and they are talking about their life failures, anxieties. All in the conversation has negativity and no purpose in life. All they are thinking about is partying lately and chill out. Of course, they are draining your energy and time. Surrounding yourself with fulfillment content, inspiring books, and people who make you feel like the best version of your life. You will definitely find yourself better every day. Declutter your space and your life. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever noticed how your environment can change your mood? Obviously, it matters. If your study table always looks like messy, you are less interested in picking your books and lose mind to study during the day. Same goes for your room. A messy room equals to a messy mind. Takes less than 10 minutes to tidy up. Trust me, a clean place can boost your mind and make you feel winning. Have you heard of the 80-20 rules? Obviously, bro, it is the common rules of every successful people use in their life. But we are going to use it in reading book. Reading book in 80-20 method. The 80-20 method is where the 20% of efforts produces 80% of results. Let's apply that to reading book. Instead of reading everything, just open the book and skim through the chapters. Identify the ones that are most relevant, focus on those and skip the rest. They are just filler. By doing this, you won't get just benefited. You will love to read books daily. Be a communicator. It is what makes you different from others. Starting a conversation with someone isn't a big deal. However, staying connected with them is difficult. A genuine smile is your best accessory. It is scientifically proven that it makes you more attractive and approachable. A study published in the journal Emotion in 2011 found that people who smile perceived as more trustworthy, likable, and approachable. This will help you later in your life. Invest in your self-care. Take the time for yourself, whether it is a skincare routine, journaling, or simply unplugging from social media. Stay clean, eat clean. And taking care isn't cringe, bro. Everybody does it, but they are not open about it. So don't be afraid of it. Next, prioritize your sleep. Sleep is the reset button of body. It is real. Proper 7 to 8 hours of sleep can change your whole day with vibrant color. Scrolling reels endlessly at night won't bring you anything. So if you don't want to see yourself zombie in the morning, prioritize yourself most. But there is another habit you should add to your list. Do workout in the morning. After having a proper sleep at night without any distraction, you have the best energy to burn in the gym. There's a research paper that shows human body has the high testosterone level at the morning. If you work out at starting of the day, you can burn more calories and get lean. Don't be naive. Start going to gym now and start doing workout starting of the day. And there's the bonus tips that I want to give you. This is always move with purpose. There's nothing without purpose. You are not going to gym or doing exercise to get shape physically or attract women. Your purpose must be improving your energy, being physically strong to protect your loved one. Getting a good posture can increase your confidence and make you 10x attractive. Exercise like yoga or swimming can help you to stay consistent, and you can also enjoy every workout session by changing them every day. Bonus, it is not only for your body but your goals as well. And those are the top habits to become unstoppable in the year, and I hope you will apply this and you will change your life in 2025 this year. Listen to brother, there is 12 plans in a year and 365 opportunities, so use them wisely. Stay tuned, follow for more.